So children, after honeybees, now next insect I have explained you about the mosquitoes. You know children, mosquitoes they can spread many diseases and they always breed. Breed means I told you that when they lay egg and from eggs new mosquitoes come out, and in this way they can reproduce their next generation, and they breed in the stagnant water and swamps. मीन्स ऐसी जगह पे ये ब्रीड करते हैं, ऐसी जगह पे ये पलते और बढ़ते हैं जहाँ पे वाटर रुका हुआ रहता है, और या फिर जो स्वैम्प्स जो होती हैं वो ऐसी प्लेसेस होती हैं जहाँ पे वाटर जो है वो ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द टाइम वाटर वहाँ पे प्रेजेंट रहता है, और उस वजह से वो जो प्लेस होती है वो दलदल जैसी बन जाती है. ओके, और वहाँ पे काई सी जमी रहती है, और इस टाइप की थोड़ी जो वेट प्लेसेस होती हैं उनको हम दलदल बोल देते हैं और स्वैम्प्स बोल देते हैं. And always mosquitoes feed on our blood, and when they bite us then they can cause many diseases just like malaria, dengue fever and many others also. So after that we have studied about the house flies also. So you know, house flies are the insects which can spread many diseases, because when they sit on any dirty place like garbage or dung, and after that when they visit on our food which is uncovered, if we keep uncovered food, then these flies can sit on our food and it can contaminate our food. Okay, and because of house flies also many diseases can be caused, like typhoid, cholera, dysentery and diarrhea. Okay, so all these we have studied. And after that cockroaches I explained you children. Cockroaches are very common insects you can see at your home, and they also like to live in drains. जो नालियाँ होती हैं आपकी, उन नालियों में ये गंदी प्लेसेस पे रहते हैं, और वहाँ से कभी इन और कभी आउट होते रहते हैं. ओके, अंदर बाहर होते रहते हैं. Then they also carry lots of germs with them, and so we must always keep our food covered to protect it from cockroaches, क्योंकि cockroaches भी बहुत सारी डिजीज़ेस को स्प्रेड कर सकते हैं अगर हम अपने फूड को अच्छे से कवर ना करके रखें तो. So after that we studied about the ants. You know children, these ants are very small insects, but they are also called social insects just like honeybees, because they live in colonies, and when any ant find food somewhere, then they can secrete some chemical or scent. Here they written word scent. Scent means कोई उनकी बॉडी से कुछ ऐसी स्मेल जो होती है, सेंट जो होता है वो रिलीज़ होता है, जिसकी वजह से बाकी जो एंट्स होती हैं वो उनको फॉलो करते हुए, उस सेंट को स्मेल करते हुए उस एंट्स के पीछे पीछे फूड के लिए चली जाती हैं. और ये विंटर के लिए अपना फूड कलेक्ट करते हैं, और ये जो इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं ये विंटर सीज़न में ये अपने फूड को, जो कलेक्टेड फूड होता है, स्टोर्ड फूड होता है, उसको यूटिलाइज कर लेते हैं. एंड फुल समर एंड इवन ड्यूरिंग द रेनी सीजन दे all collect their food. Okay, so this is all about the insects. After that, children, next topic is given about the worms. So you know that worms are also some these kind of creatures. These are also small creatures, and let's we read about these worms. A worm is a long creature with no bones. It has a soft body divided into many segments. Each segment has a pair of legs that help it to walk or swim. So children, what are the worms? You know, worms are the long creatures because their body is in this way long in shape. So, and they also don't have any kind of bones in their body. Okay, they are boneless, and their body is soft but divided into many segments. Segments means ये parts जिसमें ये इनकी body divided होती है, इनको बोलते हैं segments हैं ये सारे. Okay, so each segment has a pair of legs. जितने भी इनके बॉडी के सेगमेंट्स होते हैं उतने सेगमेंट से आप देखते हो कि ये एक पैर लेग के जो होते हैं वो हर सेगमेंट से अराइज होते हैं, इसीलिए इनके बहुत सारे लेग्स होती हैं. ओके, बिकॉज विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज लेग्स दे कैन वॉक और स्विम इजीली. सो नेक्स्ट इज a centipede or a millipede has many legs on its body. So children, centipede or millipede, these are very commonly seen worms which we can see at our home during the especially during rainy season, and they have many legs and their body is also segmented. And with the help of paired legs, their body moves swiftly. Means with the help of these paired legs, they can move very easily or very fast. Okay, swiftly means very fast, and very easy and fast also. So snails live in shells. So snails are also coming under the category of worms, but they are somewhat different. So they live in shells. You can see children, this is a snail, and snail always live in a hard shell. These animals pull their bodies inside the shells. So after that, what they given about the this snail, that these are the animals. Snails are the animals which can pull their body inside the shells, because whenever snails find any kind of danger, then they immediately go inside this shell for protection. Okay, they can protect themselves. And after that, this small worm, you can see its name is leech. So a leech is a small animal which looks like a worm. It lives in water. It sticks to the body of an animal with the help of the suckers attached to its mouth and sucks blood through it. So children, about this leech, they have told us that this creature or this worm can suck our blood with the help of this part which is called suckers. Okay, and with the help of this sucker, it can attach to the body of any animal or human being, and they can easily suck our blood with the help of their mouth from here. Okay, so they always live in water, means wet places, and it is also a worm, and its special feature is to its habit of sucking blood. Okay, you can easily see during the rainy seasons these leech. So children, this is all about your today's class. After that, after this these worms, we will study about the next part, about the spiders and some more creatures. Okay, so Jai Gurudev to all of you.